So if someone is struggling with sleep, for example, when you ask them, what is your day like? Most of the time it's like, I'm working 12, 14 hours in front of the laptop, right? I have a very high usage of laptop and the phone. So you can imagine the exposure to the non-native EMF is so high, right? And if you're constantly bombarded with this, plus you are hardly going out, you're just sitting in the room and the white lights are on the entire day, during the day as well as night. So this is what a typical a working individual's life is like, right? So you're exposed to white light, you're exposed, so which is the blue light, white light, and then you're exposed to a lot of technology, the non-native EMF. This is just affecting your mitochondrial health. Okay, so mitochondria is like the powerhouse of a cell. Okay, and all autoimmune conditions are mitochondrial disorders. If your mitochondria is unhealthy, it's not able to process whatever you're giving to your body. It's not able to make ATP, and you will feel tired, right? And all various other, in fact, all physiological processes, biochemical processes will be hampered. So this kind of lifestyle is just kind of, you are inviting mitochondrial disorders. And of course, you are not exposing yourself to sun. You are hardly making melatonin, which is the, which will help you to sleep.
Correct.
Apart from melatonin being an antioxidant. So this has to change. So during the day, you have to kind of, expose yourself to the natural light. So the moment you wake up in the morning, you should expose yourself to sun so that you can activate the suprachiasmatic nucleus, right? Which is like the signal for the body to start all the biochemical processes in the body. So that's the first thing we should be doing in the morning once we wake up. Expose yourself to the sun. And during the day also, you have to turn off the artificial lights. Expose yourself to sun, move your work desk to next to the window so that you can get some sun. Take breaks, of course, start your day with some good sun exposure. Afternoon, go and get out, get some sun. Evening sun has its own benefits. Of course, the morning and the evening sun has the maximum of red light. And the evening sun, if you would go out, right, you see a setting sun, you'll feel you'll have a sense of gratitude, calmness, which is very, very important. It helps in your healing journey. So that's very important. So this is something that I strongly advise anybody, right? That you go back and connect with nature. If you have a garden or a park nearby, go and walk barefoot. You'll see the difference in your sleep. You'll see the pain in your body coming down. If you're living next to a beach, if you have access to a beach, go and walk barefoot in the beach.
Correct.
Let the running water, just stand, let the water flow. All these will help you lose the excess of positive charge that you accumulate with exposure to all the technologies, etc. And it helps your immune system calm down. And we have seen wonderful results with these basics. Just connect back to the nature, be in sync with the circadian rhythm. And as the evening sets in, stop your usage of gadgets, right? Today, what is usually done, evening sets in and you turn on all the lights in the house. It's like a Diwali every day. That has to stop, right? Your body needs to know that it's time to turn off. It's time to sleep. Sleep is when repair and regeneration happens. So do not turn on all the lights in the house. Use what's really necessary. Replace the white lights with the old style filament bulbs. So the LEDs should be out and the old style bulbs should be back. Use minimal lights so that your body understands that, okay, now it's time to sleep. And sleep in a pitch dark room. I mean, these are the basics. And avoid usage of laptops, phones, at least 2 hours before your sleep. Your body has to understand that it's time to sleep.
Luckily, not because of the functional medicine approach. Before functional medicine, I got into biohacking, where they call biohacking. These are our, the traditional ways of living life. Like when they talk about intermittent fasting. So I make sure that I sleep in absolutely pitch dark room. I make sure that evening, if I have to use I use the orange glasses. And again, that sun exposure, earthing, all those things I started doing. And I definitely feel that it's easy to do. I don't know why people find it like so difficult that you have to follow the biohacking lifestyle. It's actually very easy to do than actually doing the other things, These are things like, everybody should, it's a lifestyle.
Yes,
it's a good lifestyle
that's
that we are
how
talking.
life should be.
Yeah. And you think that's even such a change in your lifestyle is actually related to taking care of your autoimmune conditions?
Yes. It's I see. It's
See,
all
why I'm
about
saying this
priority.
is because conventionally we say that if you have autoimmune condition, live with it for all your life.
Yeah.
There is no cure, there is no treatment. And then if the treatment is there, it's very, very complicated treatment that we talk about. Whereas you're telling that it's very simple to treat it.
Absolutely.